the La Paz Gardens and Waterfall.
Yep.
Yeah, we're in the Avery section, so we just saw a bunch of cool toucans.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so
it's raining, so we're in and out, but we are gonna keep going and see what else we can see on this adventure for today.
Yeah.
All right.
Follow us along.
See y'all in a bit.
Let's follow Josh and Shante as they explore through the La Paz Waterfalls Garden. During their heist, they see many animals native to Costa Rica, as well as a diverse amount of plant life. This plant is actually an herb and closely related to bananas.
Heliconia, also known as the lobster claw. This next one is actually my favorite, and if you can guess it, then you guessed correct. It is the sloth.
A lot of people are not aware, but sloths can swim and even hold their breath underwater for up to 40 minutes. The scarlet macaw is monogamous, meaning they form strong pair bonds that can last a lifetime. Costa Rica is a hotspot for butterfly diversity, boasting around 1,200 different species, which represents about 18% of the world's butterfly species. Some of the most well-known and commonly spotted butterflies include the blue morpha, zebra longwing, postman, and owl butterfly. Alongside the amazing butterflies were the hummingbirds. It is believed that they are the smallest birds in the world, with a remarkable ability to fly forward, backward, and even hover in place. Costa Rica is a hummingbird hotspot, boasting around 52 species.
Next was the snake exhibit, and I'm so sorry that we didn't catch the names. That was probably the area that we spent the least amount of time because of how much we were uneasy about the snakes. However, they are beautiful creatures and they serve their purpose just like everything else.
Those two are so silly. Little do they know, despite the country's reputation for diverse and potentially dangerous snakes, only a small fraction of the species are venomous. Specifically, out of the 140 snake species found in Costa Rica, only about 23 are venomous.
So right now he's taking his shots of the waterfall, and I just wanted to check in and say that for the amount that you pay for your ticket for admission, it is definitely worth it, but I recommend going early when you have all the energy because you're gonna need it. What do you think, babe?
Yeah, come early, beat the tourists before they get here in all the groups, and yeah, take your time. This place is remarkable, and there's a lot to see. It's very beautifully done.
All right. I'm struggling. I told him to go ahead of me, but he is gone. Okay, now we're going to the last stop. It is the Trout Lake. I don't know what we'll see, but we'll show y'all once we get started. And we made it. Hold on. So we literally just made it from the trout park and all the adventures that you've seen today. I'm so out of breath, but how did you like it, Bay?
Oh, it was phenomenal. It was very, very well done. The trails were nice. Wasn't a lot of people because of the weather, which was probably better.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, highly recommend this place if you're in the area. It should just be a short drive from the San Jose airport, probably like 40 minutes or so. So definitely gives you a nice variety of what Costa Rica is all about.
I agree. When we first came, it was actually raining. Like, we were all bundled up with our coats and everything.
Yeah.
But I would say that if you have the right gear, like, don't be discouraged, because the rain typically clears up within 30 minutes to an hour, and you spend about 2 or 3 hours here, so you'll get to see it rainy and sunny like how we are now. So until the next adventure, we'll see y'all in the next one.
Sandias Afortunadas.
If we win, we're not moving here. We're moving to Brazil. Just kidding. I don't even know how to tell if we win or not.